Ready to set up your Toshiba Amazon Fire TV for the first time and you want to do it right? Let me walk you through the whole setup process step by step and your Toshiba Fire TV will be up and running in no time. After you've plugged in the power cord and put the batteries in the Fire TV remote, let's turn the TV on by pressing the power button and we'll see the Toshiba Fire TV logo. Then, unlike any other Fire TVs, you'll start your setup process by choosing your language. So let's choose English and then press continue and not store use. After that, find your Wi-Fi name from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. And when you're done typing the password, press the play pause button to connect. After your TV connects to the internet, it will check for updates and install them. And while the update is downloading or installing, be patient and don't unplug your TV. After this, it will show you a screen where you'll get two options, either full or basic. You should always go with the full option as it will give you access to Alexa and the App Store. Just select it and you'll have to sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create a new one right from here. If you're already signed into Amazon on your smartphone, you can simply scan the QR code and log in the browser. But if you don't want to hop between devices, you can complete the setup right on the TV. Just grab your remote and press the menu button. Now enter your Amazon account email and your password. Press the play pause button to sign in, and now your Toshiba Fire TV will be added to your Amazon account. Now it will name your Fire TV according to your account. So let's press continue. Choose if you want to save your Wi-Fi passwords. Now it will ask you whether you want to choose your streaming device. You can either skip it or click Get Started and choose the app you want to be available right after the installation is finished. Then press the play pause button to continue. Tap on Finish. You'll get prompted to enable parental control, which you can do later from the settings, so I'll just select No Parental Controls. And then it will ask you to subscribe to their newsletter. I'll just skip it. There we go. Now press Got it. Scan for channels if you have a provider or antenna connected. And finally, it will show you the profile selection page. Click your profile and boom. Your Toshiba Fire TV is now set up. But what you must change right away is the stock picture settings so that you can enjoy true-to-life image quality. Just take a look at our Toshiba Fire TV's best picture settings guide by clicking on the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.